Hello class, so today we're going to do a warm and cool sunset with so the warm part is going to be the sunset and the cool part is going to be the water. So first off, what are our warm and cool colors? Warm colors are going to be orange, red, and yellow. Cool colors are going to be blue, purple, and green. We're not going to use green for this piece, but we are going to use blue and purple. So we want to start by drawing a curvy line down the middle of our page. Okay. Next step, we're going to draw like an upside down U, big upside down U for our sun. And then we're going to draw some lines coming out. Okay. We're going to draw some more curvy lines. We want about 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4. We want about 4 of them. All right. So remember, so cool colors are down here, warm colors are up top, sort of how I did up here. So we have yellow for the sun, orange, red, and yellow. So I don't care what order they're in as long as you have one of these, okay? I'm gonna get my crayons out and we're gonna start coloring. All right, so I guess I'm gonna do the sunset first. So the sunset part is gonna be orange, red, and yellow. So I'm gonna color my sun. Actually, I totally skipped a step. We need to outline our lines right quick. So when I say outline, I just mean go over it with a black marker or black crayon, okay? Okay. Taking my time to outline each section. Okay. All right. Now that we have that part done, I'm going to take my eraser and erase some of these extra lines that I don't really want. Because I want my art to look really neat, right? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this part is going to be yellow. So there's so many yellow things that I can think of when I think about the color yellow. So we have the sun, which is first and foremost. Then you have, what else could be yellow? A yellow raincoat. A raincoat could be yellow. What about a daisy? A sunflower. So there's a lot of things that can be yellow. So I'm going in and I want to fill in all of the white space here. Then I'm going to do the same thing down here. I want to start with orange and then I'm going to make the colors switch up. I'm taking my time to color. For the most part, I'm trying to stay inside the lines. I'm coloring pretty heavy because I want my colors to show through. But notice up top, I'm only doing warm colors. All right. So when I think about red, I might think about a fire truck or you might think of a fire truck. We can think of like a red stop sign. There are so many things we think about, and we think about different colors. So for this project, I don't mind if you want to use markers, if you have markers. If you do not have markers, you can just use crayons, okay? I'm using crayons right now. Okay. And then we're gonna repeat. So I'm gonna take the orange again, and I'm gonna repeat the process. I'm working really quickly if you didn't notice. But if you need to pause this video, you may. So I'm not gonna finish this top part because you kind of get the point. This part will be yellow. Okay. And then this part would be orange. All right, so down here we have cool colors. So for cool colors, I'm only gonna use blue and purple, okay? So for cool colors, I'm gonna start with blue because that's what the color water is initially. And I'm just gonna color it. And this is sort of like a blue violet, but it's still blue pretty much. If you want to just use a blue, you can. But notice how I'm taking my time to color everything nice and neat. I'm staying inside of the lines. Then I'm going over specific parts that needs to show through the white part. Next, I'm gonna get my purple, and I'm gonna color my purple. Okay, I'm just taking my time to fill up all of the space. All right, and then I will make this color repeat. So I would get blue again and make the blue repeat. Like I said, this isn't really blue, it's like a blue purple. But if you want to just use blue, you may, okay? So I'm not gonna finish this part, but you can kind of get the point, and then the last color will be purple, okay? I'm gonna color it all the way to the end, okay? So this is kind of what I'm shooting for it to look like. So we have warm colors up top. So you have orange, red, yellow. And then it repeats, orange, red, yellow, orange, red, yellow. And then down at the bottom, you have blue, purple. So it repeats. That's kind of what we want. We have warm colors and cool colors. All right, that's all I have for today. Thank you, and that's it.